A large-scale mausoleum in Xi'an, capital of northwest China's Shaanxi province, has been identified as belonging to Emperor Wendi of the Western Han Dynasty. According to the local authorities, the mausoleum, located in Jiangtrun village on the eastern outskirts of Xi'an, is surrounded by more than 100 ancient tombs and outer burial pits. The mausoleum has no grave mound but has 4 ramps leading to the entrance of the burial chamber placed 2 to 4.5 meters underground. The chamber, with its base 27 to 30 meters below the ground, is 74.5 meters long and 71.5 meters wide.
形制、外藏坑、陵园等等，推断江村大墓就是汉文帝发明。
Excavation has been carried out in the area since 2017, with numerous relics unearthed including dressed pottery figurines, crossbows, and official seals. The discovery of the mausoleum puts an end to a long-running rumor, which had it that Emperor Wendi's tomb is situated in a nearby location called Fenghuangzui, just north of Jiangtrun village. The rumor emerged due to the discovery of an ancient stone tablet with inscriptions in Fenghuangzui. However, archaeologists did not find any signs of construction in Fenghuangzui during their investigation and concluded that the area is nothing more than a naturally formed loess ridge. Emperor Wendi, with the personal name Lu Heng, was famous for his frugality and benevolence. Under his more than 20 years of rule, the dynasty's economy prospered while the population saw an expansion.